आवाज आती है। As you know that today I have decided to discuss landmark judgment which is Vijay Singh Chanduba Jadeja versus State of Gujarat. And everyone knows that I am taking fourth class on this particular case. As you know that I have already taken one class regarding the introduction of the case. Another class I discussed regarding the state of Punjab versus Baldev Singh case. In this way, I have taken several classes on this topic. As you know that whenever any question is asked regarding section 50, please, it is my humble request, write all the cases. If you are not able to write all the cases, write at least three cases. One is the state of Punjab versus Baldev Singh case, decided by the Constitutional Bench in 1999. Another landmark judgment decided by the Constitutional Bench in 2010 by the Vijay Singh Chanduba Jadeja versus State of Gujarat. And a third landmark judgment, which is related to the Muhammad Arif versus State of Uttarakhand. This is the Muhammad Arif Khan. Arif Khan versus State of Uttarakhand. At least three cases must be right in your exam. Come to the, I have already discussed the state of Punjab versus Baldev Singh case. Today I will discuss Vijay Singh Chanduba Jadeja versus state of Gujarat. In previous classes, I have already told you that even this case was decided on the basis of reference order. The reference order, you have already know that whenever there is any doubt, to clarify that doubt, question is referred to the larger bench. Please wait. अरे गेट बंद कर लो तुम लोग ना ऐसे बात Yes, my point is that a reference case, already you know that whenever there is a doubt regarding the point of law, question is referred to the constitutional bench or higher bench. Here question has been referred to the higher bench. There was a question that whether section 50 talks about imposing of the duty on the gazetted officer, police officer like this, or mere inquiry is sufficient. Answer is very crystal clear. In one words, you can say that section 50 imposes duty, mere inquiry is not sufficient. It means later on, whenever I will finalize this case, my final words will be that this option is the perfect. That is the section 50 imposes the duty on the police authority. Mere inquiry is not the sufficient. In one words, this is the answer. What was the region of reference? I have already told you that regarding the disputes in the case of Joseph Fernandez, case, as well as Prabhashankar Dubey case. In these cases, Honorable full bench said that full bench and division bench said that substantial compliance of section 50 is sufficient. Substantial compliance of section 50 is sufficient. But in the case of Krishna Kumar, Srimati Krishna Kanwar versus State of Rajasthan, in this case, court said that no, substantial compliance is not sufficient. Section 50 is mandatory. That's why section 50 must be implemented, must be complied in letter and spirit. It means if 100% compliance must be necessary, 80% compliance or 90% compliance is not sufficient. So my point is that question was that whether ratio of Joseph and Prabhashankar case is good or ratio of Krishna Kanwar is good. As you know that wherever by name, that is the perfect, there is no need to bother about that. In this case, Honorable Supreme Court said that ratio laid down in the Krishna case is the perfect ratio. It means section 50 must be complied letter and spirit. And regarding the Joseph and Prabhashankar case, Supreme Court said that a ratio in these two cases regarding substantial compliance is not good. Okay, the first point, if anyone asks whether it is a duty or inquiry. First option, it is a duty. Second point, whether substantial compliance is sufficient. Sorry, wait. Whether substantial compliance is sufficient or of 100% compliance, that is the compliance in letter and spirit is sufficient. Your answer will be that 100% compliance is sufficient. Your answer that substantial compliance is not sufficient. Okay. My point is that regarding the second point, all of you are very crystal clear. Why question? Why dispute arised? Whether section 50 for the compliance, substantial compliance is sufficient or it is a directory. As you know that when I was discussing the state of Punjab versus Baldev Singh case, Honorable Constitutional Bench in that case did not say whether section 50 is directory or mandatory. That it was not crystal clear say whether it was directory or mandatory. Constitutional Bench did not reply that answer. That's why confusion arose in the case of Prabha case, Joseph Prabha case, and Krishna Kanwar case. My point is that whatever confusion arose in Joseph Prabha and Krishna case, reason was that state of Punjab versus Baldev Singh case. Point is very good. I think everyone is getting. No need to interpret again and again. Decision of the Supreme Court. In this case, what was the decision in the case of Bijay Singh Chandba Jadeja versus State of Gujarat? First point, what you have to write in exam. First point you have to write in exam. Second point you have to write the exam. Substantial compliance is not sufficient, mandatory. Regarding the third point, Honorable Supreme Court said that in Chandba Jadeja case, Honorable Supreme Court in that case in 2010 Constitutional Bench said that whatever ratios have been laid down before 11 years by the Constitutional Bench, that is in 1999, that is a good, that is the perfect, and there is no need to change, there is no need to amend, that is the perfect. मतलब कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बेंच जब 2010 में जब डिस्प्यूट राइज हुआ, उसने भी बोल दिया कि भाई जो बलदेव सिंह के केस में कहा गया वो परफेक्ट है, उसमें कोई चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए हम उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं करने जा रहे हैं. हाँ, एडिशनल पॉइंट हम भले ऐड कर दे रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज एनीथिंग because the ratio of that case is a perfect. In this case, again Supreme Court reiterated the ratio whatever was laid down in the Baldev Singh case. 2010 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बलदेव सिंह के केस का जो रेशियो था उसको फिर से वर्बिटम यहाँ पर नरेट कर दिया. देखो इस रेशियो है ना, ये रेशियो क्या है, वर्डिंग है. किस केस की वर्डिंग है? ये वर्डिंग आपकी है इस केस की, क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब वर्डिंग नहीं है, शायद उसका सब्सटेंस है, जिस्ट है. ये उसके जिस्ट को यहाँ पे समराइज करके यहाँ पे कोर्ट ने यहाँ पे फिर से उसको लिख दिया है. अगर आप बलदेव सिंह के केस का ओरिजिनल जजमेंट खोलेंगे, इफ यू डाउनलोड द ओरिजिनल जजमेंट ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब वर्सेस बलदेव सिंह, नो नीड टू रीड होल जजमेंट, read only the para number 57 of that judgment. Once you read the para number 57 of that judgment, you can get whole ratio of that case. Para number 57 was also quoted in Joseph Fernandez. Para number 57 also quoted Prabhashankar case. Para number 57 also quoted in Krishna case. Para number 57 was also quoted in the Chandba Jadeja case. So what is the point? This is the gist of the para number 57. I am not going to discuss again what was the ratio laid down by the Baldev Singh case. Why? Because I studied in the previous class, I took a complete one class regarding the ratio of the Baldev Singh case. See the here, whole the ratio of the Baldev Singh case is there. See, State of Punjab versus Baldev Singh. Before In previous classes, I have already discussed duty of authorized officer, effect of failure to inform the procedure, may not vitiate recovery of illicit convictions. I have already discussed the 7 points. How to decide observation of section 50, effect of search in violation of 56. Like this, I have already discussed. That's why again I am not discussing the same points. Again, I always say that without writing the Baldev Singh case, your answer will be incomplete. Be careful. So that's why again this point summarization of ratio of Baldev Singh case I am not going to discuss because in the previous class I have already discussed. भाई सबको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना क्योंकि मैं पिछले 2 क्लास में बलदेव सिंह के केस को डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. अगर अभी भी
नहीं
किसी
सर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर.
हाँ क्योंकि कल का जो मतलब प्रीवियस क्लास था कंप्लीट हम लोग इसी पर डिस्कस ही किए और अपने एग्जाम में 100% बलदेव सिंह का केस लिखना है इसीलिए हम सेपरेट उसको कई बार इसलिए बोल रहे हैं रिपीट कर रहे हैं कि हमारे दिमाग में आ जाए कि बलदेव सिंह का ही केस सब कुछ है. बाकी जितने केसेस आए 99 के पास दैट इज द ओनली इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द बलदेव सिंह केस. Nothing new was laid down in that case. Okay, that's why that is the gist. What was the object of section 50? Object of section 50 was observed in the Jadeja case. Jadeja means Vijay Singh Chandaba Jadeja versus State of Gujarat, decided by Constitutional Bench 2010. What was the object of this section? Honorable Supreme Court in this case said that in the foregoing discussions, as you know that I have already discussed above, we are opinion that is Supreme Court said that opinion is that section 50 by way of safeguard has conferred on certain safeguards suspects. It means section 50 confers some rights on whom? On the suspected person. There is a difference between suspected person and accused person. That's why here we are talking about the section talks about the suspected person rather than the accused. The section 50 imposes some rights over the suspected persons and some other purpose. What are the purposes? Purpose is that these are the four purposes. देखो हम बहुत कुछ नया नहीं लिखते हैं. ओरिजिनल जजमेंट को पढ़ते हैं उसी को 4 बार 5 बार जब पढ़ते हैं तो उसको एक इजी लैंग्वेज में उसको थोड़ा सा पॉइंट वर्ड बना करके इजी कर देते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि हमें बहुत आता है हम बहुत लिखते हैं. हम बस इतना हो जाता है कि पॉइंट वर्ड बन जाने से तुम्हें याद करने में थोड़ा सा आसानी हो जाती है. इतना ही फायदा होता है. बाकी तुम भी कर सकते हो इसको पढ़ करके बहुत वो नहीं है. So what was the object in this case was said? Object was that to check the misuse of the power. From the very beginning, I am saying that purpose of these sections, that is section 50, to check the misuse of the power, to control the capricious and whimsy mind of the police officer. Second purpose, to avoid harm to the innocent person. To avoid harm to the innocent person. Otherwise, what would be happen? Police will always carry a small portion of the charas. He will demand money. Give me some money. You will reply, no, no, no. I have not committed any crime, so I can't give any money. Why are you demanding money? Police will say that okay, no need to worry. Police will show that I have recovered the 10 grams ganja or 20 grams ganja from the possession of these persons. Now you will unable to take the bill. Once a police show that police authority have recovered the 10% ganja, 10 gram, 20 gram ganja, in that case you will be in jail even if 10 years, 20 years. It will be very difficult for you to get the relief, to get the bail. तो पुलिस क्या करेगी इसका बहुत ही ज्यादा मिसयूज करेगी. इसीलिए सेक्शन 50 कहता है कि पुलिस अथॉरिटी इज बाउंड टू ड्यूटी. इट इज नॉट merely इंक्वायरी. It is bound to duty to inform, to ask, please you have two options, either to allow me or to go before the gazetted officers. So that's why purpose of this is that to check the misuse of the power, to avoid harm to the innocent person, to minimize allegation of planting. Planting means you know very well, मतलब प्लांट जो पौधा होता है ना प्लांट कर देना होता है. यहाँ के सेंस में जो क्राइम नहीं भी है, एक क्राइम का फैक्ट क्रिएट करके एक उसमें आपको अलेज कर दिया जाएगा। तो मिनिमाइज द allegations ऑफ प्लांटिंग और forging for foisting the false case by the law enforcement agency, by the law enforcement agencies, that is the executive. So my point is that in this case, in the Jadeja case, Honorable Supreme Court said that purpose of Section 50 is to check the misuse of power, to avoid harm to innocent, to minimize the allegation, posting false cases like this person. And court said that it is imperative. It is imperative on the part of the empowered officers to follow this section 50. Matlab point is that in this case, court clearly said that section 50 is imperative. What is the purpose of section class 5 and 6? What is the basic difference between section 50, object of section 50, and object of clauses 5 and 6? First point is that whenever we talk about object of section 50, it talks about object of whole section, that is class 1 to class 6. But whenever we use the word object of clauses 5 and 6, it means we are talking here only the object of insertion of class 5 and 6. In this way, we have to proceed further. What is the purpose? It is applicable one in exceptional cases. Okay, this is the medicine rather than a daily food, and flexibility in the procedural requirements. The main purpose was that to give the flexibility to the procedural requirement, so that in emergent and urgent situation, person can be searched in presence of two independent witnesses, and there is no need to produce before the gazetted officer or magistrate. So my point is that in this case, Honorable Supreme Court said that it is a duty to cast the duty. Substantial compliance is not sufficient, and ratio of Joseph and Prabha was rejected, and the ratio of Krishna Kanwar was upheld. Ratio of Baldev Singh case was also discussed, and it was said that it is a perfect, no need to change, and all the ratio were again quoted here. Next point, that is the point number 4, object of section 50 were also discussed. Object of 50 is that to check the misuse of power, that is to control the whimsy mind of the police department, to avoid the innocent person, that is suspected person, to minimize the allegation of planting and law enforcement agency. So my point is that there are 4 points. 4 points can be divided into 2 categories. 4 points can be divided into 2 categories. First category on the side of the police department, other side on the side of the suspected person. So point number 1, point number 3, point number 4 talks about the police department. Point number 2 talks about the suspected persons. It means my point is that check misuse, to check the misuse of the power of the police department, to minimize the allegation of planting, who will plant such allegation? Police department. Posting false cases by law enforcing agencies, that is the police department. In this way, there are 4 objects of section 50 which can be divided into 2 parts. On one side, in respect of the police department, that is the authorized police officer, and on other side, that is the suspected person. In this way, these are objects. Class 5 to make the relaxations, and by insertion section 5 and 6, police department was authorized to make the investigation according to section 100 of the CRPC only in exceptional circumstances. What is the basic difference between the class 1, 2, 3 of the NDPS Act and section 100 of the CRPC? पार्थ इस पॉइंट को नोट डाउन कर लेना, मैं दोनों का एक टेबल बना करके दोनों को डिफरेंस करूंगा. एक साइड में क्लास 1 2 3 रहेगा, दूसरे साइड में सेक्शन 100 CRPC का रहेगा।
जी सर।
In this way, regarding the class 1 2 3, it is a mandatory to produce before the gazetted officer or the magistrate if he requires, if the suspected persons requires. It means you can't make investigations without producing that person before the gazetted officer or magistrate. But section 100 of the CRPC, it says that in presence of two respected persons, two independent witnesses, person can be searched. So that's why one side requirement of gazetted officer, magistrate, other side requirement of two witnesses, two villagers are sufficient. So that is basic point. In this way, object of section 50 was make the flexibility. Point number 4, rejection of substantial compliance. Rejection of substantial compliance, I have also discussed when I was discussing this point regarding the, when I was saying about the Joseph Fernandez, Prabhas Shankar, like these cases. As you know that when I was discussing the earlier, I clearly made that two groups. In one groups, शायद एक करेक्शन था, मैंने किया नहीं, भेजे तो थे लेकिन मैं किया नहीं, भूल गया था पार्ट। यहाँ पे था जोसेफ एंड प्रभा, सॉरी, वन साइड जोसेफ केस एंड प्रभा वाज सेइंग दैट substantial compliance of section 50 is sufficient. Other side, Kanwar case said that substantial compliance is not sufficient. It is a mandatory. It must be used letter and spirit. In case of Jadeja case, Supreme Court said that this is not the good ratio. This is not the good ratio. So what is the good ratio? In this case, Supreme Court said that this is the good ratio. Ratio of state of Punjab is good. In this way, this is the point number 4. Again, I want to quote here in that rejection of substantial compliance. In this case, Supreme Court clearly said that whatever ratio was laid down in the Joseph Fernandez case and Prabhas Shankar case is neither borne out from the language of subsection 1 of section 50. It means such ratio is not neither according to section 50 class 1 of the NDPS Act, nor it is consonance with the dictum of the laid down in the Baldev Singh case. In one word, Supreme Court said that whatever ratio was laid down in Joseph case and Prabhas Shankar case, this ratio is defective. This ratio is defective on two grounds. First ground, concept of substantial compliance does not originate from the section 50 clause 1. And second is that it is also not in consonance of the ratio of the Baldev Singh case. That's why Supreme Court in that case rejected the ratio of Joseph and Prabha, and ratio of Krishna Kumar was upheld. This was the fourth point. Regarding the fifth point, presence before the magistrate is better option. Presence before the magistrate is the better option. Why the presence before the magistrate is better option? As you know that whenever you have to choose, if there is a conflict between the state and citizen, in conflict between state and citizen, all the machineries works on the direction of the head of the state. जैसे मान लीजिए कि अगर हम कल्पना कर लें कि अगर उत्तर प्रदेश में मिस्टर अखिलेश यादव की सरकार हो या मिस्टर योगी जी की सरकार हो और डीएम से उम्मीद करे कि वह डीएम सीएम के डायरेक्शन के खिलाफ जाकर काम करे, ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता। प्रैक्टिकली भी है और थ्योरेटिकली भी है। जैसा भी डायरेक्शन आता है सीएम का, वैसा ही डीएम को परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है। कभी रेयर सर्कमस्टांसेस में थोड़ा बहुत माइंड अप्लाई कर दे, माइनर, अदरवाइज होता नहीं है। व्हाई? दैट इज ए पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेट मशीनरी, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेट मशीनरी। वी हैव टू ऑप्शन, वन साइड गजेटेड ऑफिसर Gazetted officer are the central government or state government. Other side, we have option regarding the magistrate. Section 50, clause 1 and 1, 2, 3. Both were three, all the clauses were talking about that persons may be produced either before gazetted officer or the magistrate. What was that? R. What was the word? R. Either gazetted officer or magistrate. It means police authority has option either to produce before the gazetted officer or before the magistrate. In this case, courts clearly said that okay, section 50 gives option either you can produce before the gazetted officer or the magistrate. But it is my suggestion. Suggestion means my suggestion is suggestion of Supreme Court. It is better to produce before the magistrate rather than gazetted officer. Rather than gazetted officer. Why? What is the reason? Reason is that magistrate has confidence. एक मिनट बस देखे तो एक मिनट किसी का मैसेज आ रहा है बार बार. क्लास का तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, बस एक मिनट. यार लिख रहा है कि लिस्ट मूवी का भेज रहा है कि ये मूवी देखिए, बाद में दिखा देना भाई. Just before magistrate is a better option. In this case, in comparison to gazetted officer, magistrate has a better faith. Magistrate has a better faith. Magistrate has a much more confidence than comparison to the gazetted officer. The first point is that although you have option, but it is a suggestion that to produce before the gazetted, to produce before the magistrate. Second point is that once you produce before the magistrate, it would also legitimize your proceeding in a better manner. And third is that it will also strengthen the prosecution as well. जैसे मान लीजिए कि हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है. एक ऑप्शन है, जैसे मान लीजिए हमारे पास एक एसडीएम है, एसडीएम गजेटेड ऑफिसर है जो कि एग्जीक्यूटिव का पार्ट है. दूसरी तरफ हमारी तरफ एक जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट है जो कि जुडिशरी का पार्ट है. अगर लेमैन के हिसाब से पूछा जाए कि आपका भरोसा किस पर है, एसडीएम साहब पर ज्यादा है कि आपको जज साहब पर ज्यादा है, उसका तुरंत रिप्लाई जाएगा कि भाई हमारा जज साहब पर ज्यादा भरोसा है. यही बात इसमें भी कहा जा रहा है. Yes, you have option either to produce before the gazetted officer or to the magistrate, but it is my suggestion to follow to produce before the magistrate. That is the point. Regarding decision of compliance of section 50 depends upon the facts. It was asked, how can we decide whether section 50 has been complied or not? In this case, Honorable Supreme Court said that compliance of section 50 totally depends upon the facts of the particular case. It means there is no hard and fast formula. In such a way, you can say that there is a compliance of section 50. It means what happened? Sometimes wording and actual activity both are totally different things. जैसे अगर मैं कहूं कि पार्थ अखिलेश को गोली मत मारना, अदरवाइज तुम्हें अखिलेश मारेगा, और मैं हंसना शुरू कर दूं, इसका मतलब मैं ये दिखा रहा हूं, मेरी एक्टिविटी ये शो कर रही है कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं पार्थ को प्रोवोक कर रहा हूं कि हाँ तुम मार दो, तुम्हें डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो इस तरह से कोर्ट का कहना है कि किसी भी चीज को हम वर्डिंग पे नहीं ले सकते कि अगर ए वर्डिंग रहेगा तो हम कहेंगे कंप्लायंस है, एक वर्डिंग रहेगा तो कंप्लायंस नहीं है. कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट हम इस तरह का फार्मूला नहीं दे सकते. हमें सीधा सीधा ये रहेगा कि नहीं भाई, फैक्ट जैसा भी रहेगा उसके हिसाब से हमें डिस्कस करना होगा. ये हमारा केस रहा है आपका, हमने डिस्कस कर दिया विजय सिंह चंदुबा जडेजा वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात का, जिसमें समरी के रूप में हम कह सकते हैं कोर्ट ने कहा कि पुलिस और डिपार्टमेंट की ड्यूटी है, इंक्वायरी इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. इस दूसरा पॉइंट था कि इस केस में कोर्ट ने समराइज किया बलबीर सिंह के केस को, जो कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं. तीसरा पॉइंट सेक्शन 50 के ऑब्जेक्ट को डिस्कस किया गया. चौथा पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट क्लास 5 एंड 6 को डिस्कस किया गया. And next point, substantial compliance was rejected. It was said that it must be implemented in letter and spirit. And court said that although police department has option either to produce before the magistrate or gazetted officer, but it will be better to produce before the magistrate. And compliance of section 50 depends upon the facts of the case. Come to the last case on this point. Arif Khan Aga Khan versus State of Uttarakhand. Arif Khan Aga Khan versus State of Uttarakhand. In this case, what happened? Supreme Court single bench. This is the judgment of the single bench. In this case, single bench observed that regarding the section 50, law is settled down. How law is settled down? In this case, Supreme Court said that after decision of constitutional bench in the case of state of Punjab versus Baldev Singh case and Vijay Singh Chandwa Jadeja versus state of Gujarat, there is no controversy regarding section 50. Law is settled down. मतलब आरिफ खान के कोर्ट ने सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड कहा कि there is no need to interpret section 50 in a new direction or new dimension. Why? Because after the decision of constitutional bench in Baldev Singh case and Vijay Singh Chandwa Jadeja case, now law is settled down. Regarding the class 2, इसका वही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Regarding the second point, Honorable Supreme Court said that in the Vijay Singh case, Honorable Supreme Court clearly said that section 50 is mandatory. It means whatever, as you know that here I have not made the heading. I should have made a seventh heading, part note down here. Seventh heading is that section compliance of section 50 is mandatory because ratio of the Vijay Singh case was drawn by the single bench in the case of Arif Khan, and it was said that in the Vijay Singh case, Honorable Supreme Court clearly said that section 50 is mandatory and it is a mandatory duty of the police department. And on this basis, court said that non-compliance of section 50 as prescribed under section 50 of the act is a fatal for the prosecution case, and once he failed to prove, appellant will be entitled for the acquittal, and in this case appellant was acquitted. So my point is that in the Arif Khan case, it was summarized that there is no controversy regarding section 50. Why? After decision of Baldev Singh and Vijay Singh case, law is settled. And in Chandwa Jadeja case, Honorable Supreme Court said that section 50 is a mandatory. It is a right of the police department to inform, and if it is not complied in letter and spirit, appellant, they are suspected person are acquitted or accused will be acquitted. In this way, I have completed the Vijay Singh Chandwa Jadeja versus State of Gujarat. I hope that you have got the points. कोई problem?
नो सर.
नहीं सर.
क्योंकि देखो हम लोगों का क्या है कि तुम लोग एक बार सेल्फ रीडिंग भी कर लेना, क्योंकि हम लोग इस पर कई क्लास ले चुके हैं. कंटिन्यू वी आर टेकिंग द सेवरल क्लासेस. रानीबा, आर यू फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, in the next class I will discuss the another landmark judgment, and we are remaining only one class or only one case prescribed in your syllabus. After completing that case, I will